Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix Bluetooth not working on your iPhone, here might be a quick and easy guide for you to fix that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then tap on general, tap on software update, and check on software update right here, and check if your iPhone is up to date. So if your iPhone is up to date, then go back to Bluetooth, then make sure your Bluetooth is on, then try and tap on the particular device you want to get yourself connected to, which is this particular device. Then tap on the eye icon in front of it, the eye icon, tap on it, then forget the device. Once forget the device, then on the Bluetooth, then check if your if your Bluetooth is connected. So if not, then you can also tap on this as well, turn on your Wi-Fi, off and on your Wi-Fi, just to ensure the connectivity of your Bluetooth, because on iPhone the Wi-Fi network also boosts the Bluetooth network as well. So with all these settings, now restart your phone. Restart it. When you start it, now check back and see if it works, and that's it. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.